Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today we're tackling a common issue with the Dell Alienware P111F. It won't turn on. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you're working in a clean, static-free environment. Start by removing the screws from the back panel. There are typically DS screws, so keep them organized. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back panel off using your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips. Now, let's take a look at the internal components. First, check the battery connection. Sometimes, a loose battery can cause power issues. If it's disconnected, simply reconnect it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, inspect the power supply unit. Look for any signs of damage or burnt components. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time to replace the power supply. Before proceeding, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand the issue without any pressure. Once you've checked the power supply, let's clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Make sure to hold the fans in place while you clean to prevent any damage. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. Look for any blown capacitors or burnt traces. If you find any, you may need to solder new components in place. If you're not comfortable with this, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After inspecting the motherboard, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps we took earlier. Make sure all connections are secure and that you haven't missed any screws. Once everything is back in place, plug in the power adapter and try turning on the device. If it powers on, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dell Alienware P111F. If it doesn't, it might be time to consider professional help. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, and we handle everything for you. In summary, diagnosing and repairing a laptop can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Always ensure you have the right tools and take your time. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We're here to help you get your device back in action. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.